Hey guys, what's going on? Sir Louis here, and I'm making this video to let you guys know that the 8 signals is finally out today. Yes, the 8 signals to buy the bottom. And if you don't know what that is, it's been my biggest project that I've been working on. It's a course that's an hour and 55 minutes long, I believe, that I basically show you guys the 8 signals that I've learned over the years of investing in crypto to basically buy the bottom, right? These 8 signals are basically weapons and confluence that will help you accumulate at the right times. So I wanted to share here in this video and also give you guys here a Bitcoin update towards the end, so stay tuned. But I also created a cheat sheet for this, a mini course to go along with it. I'm showing you half of it here. I'm not going to show the full thing, but it's available in the school, right? The 8 signals to buy the bottom, which each signal over here, one of them being divergence. But I go in depth in 8 signals that I believe are the most important to basically accumulate at the best times for crypto. And as we guys know, you can literally make the most amount of money in bear markets. Not in the bear market, but from buying in the bear market and holding on in a few years. Okay? Everyone knows that about crypto. So this is probably the most important course that I've made over the past years, and it's finally out. It's finally out in the school community. And I also, during this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I will be having some type of promo. I'm not going to say what it is here, but you can check it out on the school link. It should be in the pinned comment. Check it out. But here in the school community, so this is basically like a community where you have access to everything. There's no tiers, there's no BS. It's everything that you see right here that you read. My live charts, which all my charts, like my Bitcoin live chart with my my targets, my Bitcoin yearly pattern charts, they're all here. My indicators, my 13 coded indicators are all here. My mini courses, and all future courses. So like people that are in the school community right now, they will have access to this course already, plus future ones. And I will be creating a future one called the 8 signals to sell the top, which is like the opposite of this course, right? The 8 signals to buy the bottom. But that'll be coming out in the future, and it'll be in the school, and you'll be able to have access to it. So I'm telling you guys, I made the best deal, best offer with this. I'm really putting everything out there, and you also get one-on-one meeting with me as a bonus, right? The 45-minute one call with me. So definitely check it out. Again, this is probably my biggest course I've made. It's an hour and 55 minutes long. I dig deep into each signal. It's very hands-on, meaning I use TradingView a lot. So if you want to learn the best, use TradingView alongside this course, and I back it up. Okay, I don't just say, oh, this is this and that. No, I use past history and I back it up. And to just give you guys here just a little, a little bit from the course here, right? One of the signals is Fibonacci, and I love using Fibonacci for selling tops and also buying the bottoms, right? And we can see right here that my strategy is a very unique strategy of using Fibonacci, and I haven't seen anyone use it, but it's so effective. And you can see here the last bear market, and I go in depth in all this in the course. So if you want to get more in depth and also know my exact Fibonacci settings and my exact Fibonacci strategy, you can check out the course. But you can see right here, using Fibonacci, we can see that this level, right, this zone in the golden pocket, under it, above that 0.5, was a great time to accumulate. A great time to accumulate. Even if you buy here in the golden pocket around 20K, it was still an amazing price here, this zone. And you would have had this since the top here to accumulate here in this zone. And it's the same thing for this time around. So I show that in the course. I use history, and then I don't just use history to back it up. I also come in the present and compare it to today's present. And the thing too about this course, guys, is that this is not just a one-time course, like one time frame course for 1 year. This is for multiple years to come. You will have... This is essential for all bear markets to come. And if you can reverse engineer, you can also use this for the bull market. Okay. So I might also create an ebook for this course, which I will launch. If you're in the school community, you'll get it for free, of course. But I will be looking to create some type of ebook or a book that I can sell on Amazon. That basically is this course, right? That you can go along with this course. But the course will have the timestamps, and where you can access the course is right here. If you go in classrooms, you go over, you see all my courses right here. The only thing that are not courses are the live charts and the bonuses. But like the bonuses too, the cheat sheet will be right here. Okay, the cheat sheet for the course will be right there, and the course should be right here. It should have this right here, right? And you should be able to click on it like this right here. You click on that, and then you should be able to see it in the YouTube, and it will have the timestamps. So very convenient. And shout out to everyone in the school community. Join again, guys. There's a promo that will end on Sunday coming out for this course coming out. The promo you can check out by clicking on the link. But yeah, I'm super happy with this course. And again, guys, I want to help you guys buy the bottom, accumulate at the best times for the future, for 2028, for 2029. Okay, this is the time to make money. And what's funny is that everyone should be focused on crypto right now. We should have the most amount of eyes, the most amount of views, but it's the complete opposite. And that's just how it works. It's the opposite. When we should have the most people focus on crypto, because this is where you make life-changing money, you had the least focused on it. Okay, and then it's the opposite in the bull market. The bull market should be getting out. Well, that's when you have the most eyes and the most views and the most everything. So definitely check out the course, check out the school. I'll put it here in the pinned comment. Thank you guys so much. And of course, if you have any questions, I do have an email in the school right here at the bottom. And you got any questions, just send that email or you can comment. But thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.